So I got a notification from Canada Post that Rapido Trains returned my locomotive, the one that needed repair. So let's go do an unboxing. Let's just hope when I open it up, a whole bunch of pieces don't fall off. Maybe they gave me a new one, who knows. Well, more waste for the environment and stuff we all pay for. Really, it's available online. Like, what a waste. It's gonna go in the trash. No note, no nothing. Okay, well, maybe there's a note inside the box. Who knows? Oh, okay, let's see what they say here. They tested the motor, tested decoder functions, repair completed by Mark on June 7th. It says here there was a bit of paint or glue smeared over the lenses of the class lights inside the shell, preventing light to shine through properly. I cleaned the lenses and all three colors are now visible. Note that the class lights are not very bright and are mainly visible from the front. Tested okay. Alright, if that's the case, we'll take it over the layout now. Let's just see if anything falls apart when I take it out of the box, though. Not too happy with this model. Rapido Trains, yeah, kind of lost a little bit of their build quality reputation with me. Well, they ripped the foam. They ripped the foam in the inside a little bit. Whatever. If you recall, last time I did the unboxing with this locomotive, we had pieces that fell off immediately out of the clamshell. So, it looks good. No pieces fell out. Hope you can see that. Okay, let's take it over the layout. Okay, we'll fire up the layout. Well, it looks like they got it. Okay, so there are the class lights there. They're correct, they're not very bright. So that's the white set of class lights, and I'll just cycle through them. So it's F9, I believe. There is the green. There's the green. And the red. At least they're a little bit brighter than before, I'll give them that much. Good enough, I think. Again, always different on camera than it is in real life. Okay, so fixed. Thank you, Rapido. Unfortunate, it cost me like $18 to mail this to you, and it cost you about the same to mail it back. It's unfortunate. And I'm sure I'm not the only one who had issues. Anyways, a little cautious about future Rapido releases, as you probably should be. I mean, they're not without their problems. So just perhaps test these things in the hobby shop before you buy them. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.